Did you know this guy
Hi.
is growing food for free? This is Okay, what if I told you to choose a profession? Computer engineer, actor, cricketer, or a farmer? What would you choose? Most of you would choose to be any of the first three, but Suraj chose to be a farmer.
Hi, I am Suraj. I have been farming since I was 13.
Suraj lives in Kerala and he has his own farm.
I grow more than 50 types of vegetables and fruits in my farm, and I spend zero money on that.
Wait, how's that possible?
It's completely possible, and Indians have been doing it for centuries.
Suraj uses a technique called zero budget natural farming. To put it in simple words, ZBNF is studying the environment and growing fruits and vegetables that naturally grow in that environment. No fertilizers, no pesticides, just letting the nature do its job.
Every fruit and vegetable that you eat is contaminated with pesticides. Everything causes cancer and other health problems. With washing, you cannot remove these pesticides.
The only way to beat this is organic farming. And organic farming is not new for India. India has been doing it before being organic was a term. And Suraj wants to bring back the old stuff
Back with a bang.
He has formed a group called
Earthworm Project.
where he teaches his technique of farming without any expenses and without any farm drugs.
Normal farmer has to spend more on fertilizers and pesticides, and the cost of new generation pesticides and all are very high. We don't go to buy agri inputs.
Okay, conspiracy time. Let me tell you how the British destroyed Indian agriculture. In earlier days, people used to grow what they want to eat and not what sells the best in the market. Farmers used crop rotation. Different crops require different nutrients from the soil. Growing tomatoes require magnesium. So if you keep growing tomatoes batch after batch, the soil will lose all the magnesium, making it infertile.
Crop rotation gives the soil time to replenish the resources.
One batch of tomatoes followed by pulses that help replenish magnesium and other nutrients. But British came and made the farmers grow cash crops, a lot of cash crops. And hence came chemical fertilizers, pesticides and modified seeds, which work like steroids for the land. It pushes the land to grow more produce in a short while, but it reduces the fertility as well. Basically, it's like drugs for soil. And to know all of this, we need more people like Suraj to consider farming as a serious profession.
I was passionate in farming since I was a kid. My mother used to grow vegetables for my kitchen garden, and I used to help her. I started to read agriculture magazines, then agriculture TV shows, and got interested towards it. If you are a doctor, if you are an engineer or actor, you need food. Food is only produced from agriculture. Not only food, the dress that you wear, everything, basic inputs and raw materials come from agriculture.
Okay, so about 50-60 years ago, everybody was in the villages farming or doing something related to farming. Then things changed and people started moving to the cities in search of a better life, in search of a stable job. And now things are changing again. People are retiring early to move back to the villages, get a farmhouse and growing their own food. You see, the cycle is complete. And slowly, the food that we get in the market will be so full of pesticides that eating it will be as good as slow poisoning. And if we continue the way we are living right now with complete disregard to our environment, then soon food will be so rare and so expensive that we will have no option but to grow our own food. And at that time, farming will be way cooler than any other profession. What I want to say is every profession has its importance in the society.
Main problem is that price is decided by the middlemen. Like they work for 1 year completely 24/7 with taking a huge risk without any leave or something like that, with full dedication. And the middleman, like just 15 minutes, he make more profit than this 1 year farmer's full complete work. Farmers should be educated so that they can change cropping style, then style of marketing, everything.
People like Suraj bring the old knowledge and new energy together. I think we need more of that. And that's the reason why I love
India.